So we're really happy here to be on site with Weddle. We're doing our first installation in Colorado with Weddle and the Solstice Shingle. And for everyone's first installation, we'll be there on site giving on-the-job training. We call that OJT. But we're here to make sure that everything goes smoothly, from counting parts, the layout, the installation. We're there to guide them down to the millimeter to make sure that everything goes in perfectly, because in the long run, this system is all-in-one solar and roofing. So it's the first line of defense. We want to make sure it's built perfectly to protect the home from wind, rain, fire, and ice. The Solstice Solar Shingle is a building product that we've made so that roofers can actually own the world up on the roof. They do the roofing and the solar all together. So it's a 70-watt solar shingle that we can do any shape possible. And we've simplified the installation by removing the traditional metal frame and the traditional metal racking. So when installers want to dive into solar, and they're established roofers and electricians, they can start with the Solstice Shingle. And we've made what used to be a 50-step process for regular solar panels: finding rafters, pilot holes, flashing, cutting rails, grounding, critter guard. We've taken all of those 50 steps and condensed them into about 15 steps. So in addition to the good look, now it's easier to build as well.